Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Beetle, stock number 6409. This ran from the 10th 2001 to the 11th 2011. It has a KGQ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a KGQ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.